If you've ever archived a ChatGPT conversation and then wondered where it went, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access archived chats on ChatGPT step by step, so you can find those conversations quickly and get back to them whenever you need. This is a super useful trick if you want to clean up your chat list without losing important conversations. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This matters because archived chats are tied to the account where they were saved. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile name or profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to open the main account menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will open a new settings window where you can manage different parts of your ChatGPT experience. Now, on the left side of that settings window, look for Data Controls. This is the section where ChatGPT keeps options related to your chat data, history, and archived conversations. Once you're in Data Controls, find the Archived Chats option. Next to it, you'll see a Manage button. Click Manage, and this will open up your archived chat list. Here, you can view conversations that you previously archived, even though they no longer appear in your main chat sidebar. If you want to open one of those chats, simply locate the conversation you need. In some cases, you may be able to right-click the chat and open it in a new tab, which can make it easier to keep your current page open while you review the archived conversation. This is especially helpful if you're trying to compare old information or copy something from a previous chat. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, click your profile name or icon, go to Settings, open Data Controls, and then click Manage next to Archived Chats. From there, you can access the conversations you stored away and continue working with them whenever you want. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you know when more helpful tutorials are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.